Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. This one's finished, of course, in iridium blue over graphite. Almost an identical spec to the Q50 Red Sport I had last night. Not last night, the night before. Yesterday, I should say. So this one, if you look at the carbon, look, I've never seen this before on one of these. It has blue carbon weave. I mean, I've never seen that. So this has radiant welcome lighting, interior ambient lighting, which is pretty sweet. Carbon fiber pack. The upgraded wheels, cargo pack, pro assist pack, and proactive pack. Total sticker of 68 grand. This thing was almost, I mean, this thing had every option you could put on it. .3.0 twin turbo V6, 7-speed automatic, 400 horse, 350 pound-feet. So, while we're kind of stuck behind a truck, although not for much longer, let's compare, because they're both iridium blue 2019 Red Sports. Q50 versus Q60. I will say the Q50 had right about a little under 50,000 more miles on it, but the car was completely sorted, brand new tires, brakes, so the thing was sorted out. What's different? One, the looks, especially inside, the round hood, just the whole coupe design definitely sets this apart. I do feel like this is a bit sportier. In suspension tuning and just steering feel, honestly, they're based very similarly on each other, the Q50 and Q60. But it's just something different that keeps me coming back to the Q60. I don't know if it's how good it looks. I don't know if it's just something different in the drive. Until today, I was in the camp that they drove the exact same. Until I drove essentially the most comparable cars. They're both fully loaded 2019 Iridium Blue over Graphite Red Sports. There is nothing in the specs of the color and interior that makes me change my mind. Other than that, they're fully loaded. But there's just something different about this car. Both have direct adaptive steer, so that doesn't change anything. I don't know. I mean, this carbon, that is the first time I've ever seen blue weave carbon in an Infiniti. I think ever. Except for a Pagani is the last time I've seen blue carbon. That semi-truck has to be working hard. I will say though, the one thing the Q50 had over this was the metal paddles. I think that was part of the sensory pack, and that just absolutely sets it apart, especially if you're driving in manual mode. These are plastic paddles, and yeah, they feel good, but they're not metal. That's the one thing the Q50 had over this. Other than that, well, and the back seat area for usability. But other than that, I would take this thing all day long. No questions asked. Hand me the keys to a Q50 or a Q60, I'd take Q60. I can't tell you why. I think a lot of it comes down to the looks, but they just drive. They're similar, but they're very different at the same time. This definitely feels more planted. Definitely feels more sport-tuned, more focused. At the same time, it's just as good of a cruiser. And that's why all day long I take a Q60. All day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.